Welcome to Flowbase Co. Let's see how to use the Wellbeing tab in the Second Brain Life Planner. So here we have the Wellbeing tab over here. So I'll just try to go and click on this. So first you can see the complete navigation over here, and then on the left hand side we'll be able to completely see the navigation. So here you can see first we have the daily journal over here, and then like you can see this week, and then daily two filters are there. Then you have the self check. Then you have the meditation tracker over here. Like you have different filters over here for the meditation tracker. Then below this one you have the medication log. So like what are all the medicines you're like taking, you can just try to completely track all your medications from here. Then you have the appointments tracker. So like whatever doctor appointments you're having, you can just try to track all that from here. Then you have the sleep tracker over here. So how well you're sleeping, you can just try to go and track it. And also on the right hand side, you'll be able to completely see like you have the quick actions button, then you have the updates over here. Then you can see you have quick links like for the mood tracker, sleep tracker, gratitude, and Pomodoro tracker over here. Then below this one, you have the thoughts, and then the habit tracker, you will be able to completely see it over here. So this is the complete the page for the well-being. Also, we have multiple subpages under well-being. So we'll just try to go and see what are those subpages and how to use those particular subpages. So when I just try to go on the left-hand side navigation bar, so here you can see I have the well-being, right? So here you can see different subpages are actually there under well-being, like my journal, like medication tracker, like this many things we have. So I'll first try to go to my journal. So here you can see I have two buttons over here, quick action buttons. So one is to go and like create a new journal, and one is to go and create a new gratitude entry. So here you will have like different filters like this week, today, this month, like this multiple filters. So if you want to go and view all the journals, you'll be able to completely see it over here. Similarly for gratitude also, we have like different filters. So if I just try to go for the gratitude journal, all you will be able to completely see it over here. So this is about the completely about the my journal. So next let's try to go to the next page. So the next page is nothing but we have the period tracker. So I'll try to go inside this one. So here you can just try to go and track your period. So like from which day start date to end date, everything you'll be able to completely like go and track from here. So here you have a quick action button like log new period. So you can just try to go click on this and then create a new period. So here below this one, you also have the overview. That's nothing but you will be able to completely see the period dates on the calendar wise. So this is about this complete period tracker over here. So you can just try to go add your period dates over here and then completely track it from here. Next thing what we have under the well-being is we have the medical appointments. So I'll just try to go inside the medical appointments page. So here you have a button to go and create a new medical appointment. So here you will be able to completely see like what are all the medical appointments you have. So you can see like the medical appointment name you can give the priority, what type of consultation you're going, and then which date and who's going to be the doctor and the institution. All these things you can completely like enter all the details while creating a new medical appointment, and then you can completely track it from here. Then below this one, you have the calendar view for the medical appointment. So here you will be able to see like on or what all dates you have the medical appointment. You will be able to completely track it from here. So this is about the medical appointments page. Next, we'll try to go to the next page under the well-being. So that's the self-check. So I'll try to go inside the self-check. So here you can see you have a new log. So you can just try to go and create a new self-check over here. So here you can see like go and enter like each and every day what mood you're there and how your energy level was there, and whether you have done your exercise or not. Then how the meals, like what kind of food you had and how it was healthy or average or good. You can like maintain it from here. Then you have your stress level. How was your stress level for that particular day? Then the focus level. All these things you can just try to completely enter it over here. So even your sleep hours, symptoms, anything, all these things you will be able to completely, you can try to enter and then track your complete daily logs, your daily, how you were in the energy level, what kind of food you took, everything you can just try to completely like enter it over here and then track from here. So you also have a complete calendar view for this one. So which all days you have logged in, you will be able to completely get that on the calendar over here. So that is one of the best thing you can just try to view on your calendar itself. So this is how you can just try to go and log in to your new self-check, and then like you can just try to go and create a new log over here. The next page what we have under the wellness is we have the meditation tracker. So now we are in the meditation tracker. So here I have meditate today. So you can just try to go and use this button to create a new log over here. So for example, on what all days you have done the meditation, you can just try to completely mention it over here. So you can also mention the duration, what type of meditation you did, and what was the focus level, how was the energy before and the mood or after the meditation. You can completely like try to note down all these details over here. So it'll be easy for you to track like what all you did each and every day. You will be easily able to track everything from here. So you also have the calendar view for the meditation over here. So you'll be able to see like what all days you have done the meditation, what all days you have not done the meditation. You will be able to completely see it from here. So the next page what we have under the well-being is we have the thought dump. So I'll just try to go into that page. So here you can see you have all the thought dump over here. So also the table view, you have it over here. So if you wish to go and add a new thought dump, what you can do is you can just try to go and click this new button and then add your new thoughts. So you can just try to go and see like category of the thought, then which date, and then what you can just try to go and add some notes about your thought. And you also have the status, whether it needs action, it's reviewed, or it needs review. So you'll be able to completely like give the status, and you can like have all your thoughts, whatever thoughts you have, you can just try to go and note down all your thoughts on this particular thought dump page. The next page what we have under the wellness is we have the symptoms tracker. So I'll just try to go to the symptoms tracker. So here you can like completely track all your symptoms. So here you can see you have two quick action buttons, like new symptoms tracker button and then new symptom statistics button you have. You can just try to go click on this one and then like add your symptoms. So here you can see like this month, what are all the symptoms you are completely able to see over here. Like you can see like the symptoms is nothing but wheezing, which state and what is the level of that symptom. You will be able to completely track it from here. So all symptoms, if you go, you can see these some of the different symptoms you have had. So similarly, you will be able to completely see this symptoms over here. You can see these are going to be all the symptoms, whatever you have. So nothing but kind of the category you can say. You can see all the symptoms you have, different symptoms you have. And then you can just try to go and say which symptoms you had already. Okay. So you can just try to go and add a new symptoms whenever you have it. So these are nothing but some of the common symptoms which a person can have. So you can just try to go and add the different symptoms, and then you can just try to go and like whenever you have some symptom, you can just try to go and add that to the statistics over here. So like this, you can just try to completely see it. So you'll also be able to completely see the graph over here. So once you try to upgrade the plan and once you're on a pro plan. The next page what we have under the well-being is the medication tracker. So I'll go to that. So here is our medication tracker. So you can see we have the complete page. So here you can try to go and add a new medication. So whatever medicine you're taking, you can just try to go and add the new medication over here. Then you can see what is going to be the morning medication, the afternoon and bedtime. You can see completely over here. And then here you have the medication log. So AM medicine, you have afternoon, and then you can see you have like bedtime medicine like this. You have different categories. You can just try to completely note down what are all the medicines you're taking on different times. So everything you will be able to completely track from here. As well as you also have like the complete calendar view over here. So whenever you're just trying to go and take this medicine on whichever day, you can just try to go and log it. So automatically it will say you like when you have taken this medicine, you will be able to completely see it from this calendar view itself. So that's the work of this particular medication tracker. You can just try to go add all your medicines, whatever you're taking, you can just try to go and add the logs so that everything is completely like clear and updated on this particular tracker. So you'll be easily able to track everything from here about your medications. So the next page, what we have under the well-being is we have the hydration tracker. So here you can see you have the complete hydration. You can see like you have the complete table view. So like what all days you have done the hydration, you will be able to completely see it. Like whether you have like took 2 liters of 3 liters of water every day, you will be able to completely like see it over here. Also you have the calendar view over here. So calendar view, you will be able to see like how much you have like drank, how many liters of water you have drank. You will be able to completely like track it from here. So this is about the hydration. So you can just try to fix like whether every day I want to take 3 liters of water or 4 liters of water. You can just try to have it, and then you will be able to completely track all these things from here. So the next, what we have under the well-being is we have the mood tracker. So I'll go inside the mood tracker over here. So here you can see you can try to go and add a new mood tracker and add new mood statistics over here. So if I just try to go to the mood tracker, like you can see, like you can just try to go and add on this particular day, how was your mood? So whether you are disappointed or okay or happy, angry, everything you will be able to completely like just try to note it down, and then you can just try to like have the mood display, and how you also can try to add some notes over here. All these things you will be able to do it from here. Then you also have the mood statistics. So these are nothing but the different moods what you can have. Like let's say you can be anxious, you can be chill, you can be overwhelmed, you can be depressed. So these are the complete moods. Now when you try to go and add a mood tracker, so you can see over here how many times you are happy, how many times you are disappointed, how many times you are excited. So all these things you will be able to completely see it from here. So that's the best thing what you have in the statistics over here. Below you also have the graph. So once you upgrade to a pro plan, you will be able to see the graph over here. So this is completely about the mood tracker. Next, let's try to go to the next page what we have under the well-being. So that's the sleep and dream tracker. So I'll try to go inside this one. So here you have the sleep tracker. So you can just try to go and add a sleep. Each and every day, how many hours you're sleeping, you can just try to go and completely add it from here. So if I just try to go all, you will be able to see like how many hours I have slept for each and every day. Okay, so let's say if goal is going to be like somewhat like 8 hours or 9 hours sleep. So once you have like tried to achieve, you can say like sleep goal met or sleep goal not met. You can just try to have it. Okay, you whether you had a deep sleep or not, you can everything you will be able to completely track it from here. So each and every day, how many hours you're sleeping, you will be able to completely track. So the great advantage about tracking all these things is that you will know like each and every day how many hours you're sleeping and how your sleep cycle or sleep pattern is. You will be able to track everything from here. So that's the great thing about this complete planner over here. The next page what we have under the well-being is we have the skincare. So I'll just try to go inside the skincare. You can see you have the complete skincare. So if you want to go and add a new skincare routine, you can just try to go and add it. And then here you will be able to completely see all your skincare products, whatever you're using, whatever you own, and whatever is archived, you will be able to completely see it over here. And then next is you have the skincare routine. So what is going to be your skincare routine? Like morning, evening, what is going to be a skincare routine? For example, this week you have done this particular thing. Let's say for evening I have applied the moisturizing lotion. I can just try to go and give a tick. That means I have followed my skincare routine. So you can just try to go and track your complete skincare routine from here. So next page, what we have under the well-being is the last page. That's nothing but the habit tracker we have. So here you can like try to go and completely track all your habits from here. So here you can see like you can just try to go and like add a new habit. So you can see like yesterday these are something which I need to do. Today I don't have. So if I just try to go and click, you can say today. So today let's say I have done like daily journal and then 5 minutes meditation I have done. So you'll be able to completely see it, and what is the progress also you'll be able to see it. So you also get the complete calendar view. You will be able to see like whenever you're trying to track your habits, you'll be able to completely see that on the calendar over here. Then you have all your like my complete routine. So whether you have done for all these days, whether you have done meditation for all these days and then skincare for all these days, you can just try to completely like maintain all your habits from here. So this is about the complete what are different pages what we have under the well-being. So you can just try to go and use these pages and then track from like your sleep to your skincare to your meditation to your hydration, everything you'll be able to completely track with the help of these different pages what you have under the well-being. So I hope you would have understood how to use the well-being tab in the Second Brain Life Planner.